Meron ba kayong problema sa buhok ninyo like dandruff? Watch this video! Before we will begin, flex ko muna ang Fresh Hairlab 15-in-1 Haya plus Keratin Fruity Fresh UV Refresher Hair Styling Mist. Meron tayong hair dyan na maliit, so flex ko sa inyo na matatanggal yan after spraying this. Nalinis niya ang buhaghag hair ko dyan. Super bango niya. Ito ang reco ko kasi kahit anong gawin natin all day long, mas long lasting ang amoy ng Fruity Fresh. Hello guys! Welcome sa ating channel. Today's video is all about Fresh Hairlab. Paano po siya gamitin? Ano po ang naging resulta sa buhok ko? Magkano po siya at saan mabibili? Let's talk! Fresh Hairlab Mint and Tea Tree Double Boosts Zinc Serum Shampoo with Thera Smooth Complex for dandruff control. This Mint and Tea Tree Double Boost Serum Shampoo is specially formulated with Thera Smooth Complex, a specialized hair smoothing technology that detangles minus the stickiness. Enriched with a double boost of zinc, this deeply nourishes and protects against dry and itchy scalp for total dandruff control. How to use: apply generously onto wet hair, then massage into lather. Rinse thoroughly, best used with fresh mint and tea tree 2-in-1 Serum Conditioner Treatment. Caution: this is for external use only. Keep out of children's reach. Alcohol-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free in 430 ml. Ang bango nito guys is super refreshing kasi ang bango niya is a mint. Matagal ko po itong ginamit kaya matagal po ako nakapag-film sa inyo. As you can see, maliit na talaga siya hanggang dito nyo. So I've been using this for almost 3 weeks na without any bias at all. Honest review. What I like about this shampoo is it's first, yung impression ko sa kanyang amoy na super calm, relaxing talaga ang mint. Second, upon application to your hair, talagang you can feel the cooling sensation sa buhok mo. Pag ilalagay mo na siya, minutes after when you are lathering it, especially sa scalp mo, mapansin mo talaga na cool siya. Isa pa, hindi lang po siya dandruff control. Lesson po niya ang hair fall ko kasi I'm always having a hair fall. Hindi naman totally na wala na akong hair fall, but na-minimize niya ang hair fall ko. Nawala po niya ang dandruff na marami sa buhok ko. It detangles my hair, having a smooth touch. Hindi lang po ang shampoo ang binigay ng Fresh sa akin. Binigyan din nila ako ng Mint and Tea Tree pa rin. Double Boost Zinc 2-in-1 Serum Conditioner Treatment Thera Smooth Complex for dandruff control 200 ml. By the way, this product is distributed by Healthy Innovation Distribution Incorporated, made in PRC. This Mint and Tea Tree Double Boost Serum Conditioner Treatment is especially formulated with Thera Smooth Complex, a specialized hair smoothing technology that detangles minus the stickiness. Enriched with a double boost of zinc, this deeply nourishes and protects against dry and itchy scalp for total dandruff control. How to use: after shampooing, apply from root to tips, leave for 3 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Best used with fresh mint and tea tree serum shampoo. When irritation occurs like redness, keep out of children's reach. Wash away directly with the soap and water. I super love the combination of the shampoo and conditioner. I'm not soaking this for only 3 minutes, but I'm soaking this beyond 3 minutes because during that time, while the conditioner is on your hair, penetrating there, my God, the feeling is so relaxing. Talagang mafe-feel mo that you are pampering yourself, you're doing your me time inside the shower because, my God, all of the parts of your head, I mean, talagang ang buong ulo mo ay cool na cool, as in parang meron siyang ice, ganun ang feeling pag binababad mo na po ito sa buhok niyo. Consistency is not so thick. The scent is the same with the shampoo. It's mint. What I noticed is that it helps also my hair detangles. Hindi po siya nagbigay ng dandruff. It smoothens my hair like no other. Kahit po finger comb, pwede po niyong gawin sa buhok niyo. This conditioner in 200 ml is available in Watson stores and online for 259 pesos. Super sulit for this 430 ml, only 199 pesos. In less than 500 pesos, you can have this combo for your hair. Very good in dandruff control. Smoothens your hair like no other with a special touch of coolness every time you pamper yourself in your me time at the comfort of your bathrooms. That's about it for today's video. I hope you find this video informative, beneficial, and I hope nabigyan ko po ng saysay ang shampoo and conditioner na ito. You can purchase this via Shopee and Lazada. Just look for the Watson's official flagship store. Add to cart na. Thank you for watching, beautiful people. See you on my next videos. Thank you, Fresh Philippines.